When do we start? We just did.
Hello everyone and welcome to another Add Maths tutorial video. Today I'm going to discuss SPM 2021 Additional Mathematics Paper 1 question number 1. Okay, so let me read the question now. Diagram 1 shows an arc AB with substance and angle of pi over 3 radian at the center of the circle O. So as you can see here, this is the center O and which has the angle AOB here, which is pi over 3 radian. Okay, so continue to read the question. The radius of the circle is 2 cm and they already gave us another information which is the radius 2 cm. Okay, so continue to read the question. Find the area in centimeter square of major sector OAB in terms of pi. Okay, so in this case you just have to treat the pi as a variable. Okay, you need to treat it as a variable, not as a exact value. Okay, so that means that in your final answer you need to express it in terms of pi. For example, like 2 pi or 5 pi centimeter square, something like that. You cannot give the exact value like 5.14, 2.38. okay, if you give that, you won't get the full marks over here. Okay, since we are discussing the past year papers, so it is important for us to hit the full marks as possible. Okay, so from here let us start our discussion now. So the first step what we need to do is, okay, so if I were you, I will try to gather as much information from the question. Okay, so from this question we already know that the angle of AOB, okay, in this case is the minor angle AOB. Just right here, minor is equals to pi over 3 radian. Okay, pi over 3 radian. So that is our first info. Okay, and the second info is the radius itself. They already gave us is 2 cm. So in this case, let me just write in short form R. Okay, R stands for radius is equals to 2 cm. Okay, 2. Okay, so from here, so the first step what we need to do is, before finding the area of the major sector, we need to know this angle. Okay, this angle we don't know yet. Only if we can get this angle, then only we can able to find the area of the major sector AOB. Okay, so our first step is finding the angle of major sector AOB. Okay, you're already clear now. So the next question is, how are we going to find this angle? Okay, remember guys, the total interior angle of a circle in radian, I'm telling you, the total interior angle of a circle in radian is 2 pi. Okay, so they already gave us the minor angle is pi over 3. In order for you to find the major angle, 2 pi you minus with pi over 3. Okay, from there you can get the major angle, 2 pi minus with pi over 3. Okay, so let me write the step here. So step number 1, okay, where are guys? Find angle of major arc. Okay, let me just underline this. Okay, so from here, to find angle AOB, okay, you should notice here I'm writing here major guys, not minor. So AOB major, so is equals to 2 pi. Okay, why 2 pi? Like I've explained just now, 2 pi represent the total interior angle of a circle in radian. So 2 pi minus with pi over 3, close bracket. Okay, so let me scroll down. Okay, so continue this working. So from here you get your angle AOB, okay, which is in this case the major, is equals to, okay, so from here 2 pi, okay, you make it the denominator same, so it will be 6 over 3 pi minus minus pi over 3, so 6 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is 5 over 3. So in this case will be 5 pi over 3 radian. Okay, so from here we know that the angle, the major angle AOB is 5 over 3 pi radian or 5 pi over 3 radian, so whichever you want to call it. So this is our first step, we already get the angle. Okay, now once we already get the angle, the next step, okay, it will be very simple. We can proceed to find the area of the major sector OAB. Okay, but remember, we need to express in terms of pi. We should not give it as an exact value. Okay, so let me proceed to the second step. So step 2, find area of major sector. Okay, major sector, in this question they mentioned is OAB, right? So we just follow the question OAB. OAB. Okay, let me underline it. Okay. So let me just scroll it down. Okay, so remember guys, the formula to find the area of a sector, particular sector, which in this case is A, is equals to half r square theta. Okay, and make sure that this theta must be in radian. Okay, since we already get our angle in radian, so okay, we are good to go. We can proceed to find our angle, our area of major sector. Okay, area of major sector AOB, okay, is equals to, okay, half times with r square. Okay, the radius we have already obtained in the question, which is 2 centimeter. Okay, times with the theta here. In this case, the theta is 5 pi over 3. So we just write it as it is, 5 pi over 3. Close bracket. Okay, let us perform the calculation. So area of major sector AOB. Okay, so from here will be half times with 4 times with 5, wait guys, okay, 5 pi over 3. Okay, so this 4 and 2 we can simplify, so the 2 will become 1, the 4 will become 2. Okay, so from here 2 you times with 5 pi over 3, so from here you get your area of major sector AOB is equals to 10 over 3 pi, or you want to write 10 pi over 3 also can, is the same. 10 pi over 3 centimeter square. Okay, don't forget the unit is very important. Okay, so let me underline the answer. Okay, we have come to the end of our discussion for the paper 1, question number 1, SPM 2021 additional mathematics paper. Okay, so from time to time I will upload more tutorial questions, so please do subscribe to the channel and make sure that you share this channel info to your friends, and do share this video to your friends as well. Okay, so thank you everyone, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.